guys, welcome to my channel. Today we want to look at how to remove this blue double arrow overlay which you can find on your folder. If you can see those arrows on your folder or file, it means that the file has been compressed. This compression is usually enabled in the NTFS compression for that file system, but it is very easy to remove there. So today we're going to look at one way to remove them. You just right click on that folder, you go to the properties, you want to go to advanced, and then under compression and encrypt attributes there, you just want to uncheck that box there, then you click OK, then you click apply, and then you click OK there, and then you can see that the blue double arrow overlay icon there is gone. That's how you decompress that folder there. It's just useful to save space on your disk. If you're running out of space, you just want to compress some of the folders to save space there. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and follow for more computer tips. Thank you. Bye.